I'm doing a 2-month follow-up on my experience with carnivore trading, and kind of interesting. Hey, I'm Rebecca. Thanks for joining me on the Mamalorian Way, where I'm a mom just learning how to create wealth for my family, and I am sharing what I learned with y'all. If you like, subscribe, comment, share. That would be awesome. All right. Close to 2 months ago, I signed up for a 14-day free trial with Carnivore Trading because a friend of mine said she had nearly doubled her money in about 4 months using their trade tips. So you can check out my first video about that. And I also did 7 and 14-day follow-ups. And now we're at 2 months. So 2 months later, I'm seeing a bigger picture. So real quick, just an overview for if you don't know what carnivore trading is. It is a subscription-based service, $175 a month. And for that, you get what carnivore traders are selling, buying in their portfolio in real time, multiple texts every day saying they're buying this company, they're buying big in this company, their target prices, the dates for the target prices that they're looking for. And you also get not only which stocks they're selling, but which ones they're dumping. And I think that might be a key factor. These guys do not hold on to stocks very long. They are quick to cut their losses. So when I did my trial in July 2021, July, it was a month the market really got hammered. My results were about 5% loss. Admittedly, it's pretty small investment. However, I have been privy to their trading information for the past 2 months. I'm just following what their stocks are doing. And I will say some of their stocks were absolute stinkers. And with those, they did cut their losses and they sold quick. Other stocks, though, went through the roof. Right? Over, 100% return, 100% gain. So like double of the investment that you put in. And not really sorry, I don't have a spreadsheet for it, but my gut feeling over looking at the returns, the losses are probably more than compensated for by these terrific gains. And I have heard, thanks subscribers, that from carnivores that they are doing better than average, and 14 days probably isn't long enough, and July was a terrible month. However, carnival probably isn't for everybody. The people it may be best for are, one, have a substantial amount to invest, like $25,000. That you need that much to justify the $175 subscription fee per month. You gotta feel okay about being on the stock roller coaster, because when you're looking at it on a daily basis, and it's all over the map. And you might need to feel okay about losing some of that investment, of your bigger investment, while you're on the roller coaster. So it takes a certain steel stomach. You also need to have the time and the inclination to do the daily trades and keep up with the market report. So you can get the text, unless you're on I use Robinhood. That was great. You can do a real quick, I'll buy some of this, I'll sell some of this. But you've got to have the inclination to do it and the time to keep up with it. If you're willing to learn, because there's a curve, they send a daily market report out every day. It's interesting. I was a newbie reading it, super interesting. However, learning curve, if you're not familiar with even what market looked like, or some of the speak, some of the lingos, the market vernacular. And I think this may be one of the more important ones too, is if you're a person who is willing to cut your losses quick. I know it can be hard. You're like, no, I don't want to lose any money. Just don't want to lose more money. And also realize gains by selling. Hard as it is to sell something that we're like, oh, I'm losing money, and if I sell it, I really have lost that money, is to sell something that you're making money. You're like, well, maybe I'll stay with it, make some more money. So be willing to cut your losses. And by the way, with Robinhood, it's really easy to put a stop loss order to the stocks that you have. So if it drops down below a certain price that you determine, it triggers a sale so that it's not like plummeting down and you're like, oh no, I need it sold at this point. And also realize your stocks by selling. So sell it, get out. For people who are willing to cut their losses quick, get out of a bum stock, even if you're feeling like, oh, I want some chance to make some money now. Get out of the bum stock, and also be willing to sell stocks that are looking good to realize a return. I'm not a subscriber. I don't have that kind of money for the stock market right now. The roller coaster is interesting, but maybe not on a daily basis for me, but it might be for you. If this is helpful, please like, subscribe, share. Catch you in the next one.